Hi, I'm Aaron, and today we're going to learn how to replace a leaking valve from your backwash unit faucet. So it'll take around 2 minutes. In order to do this, you need to have a pair of pliers or a wrench, a 2mm L wrench, and your new valve. This is going to be the second to the smallest on the standard metric set. Okay, and the first step to do this, go ahead and take off the hot-cold button from the faucet. Next step is there's a little locking mechanism in here. It's a screw. You need to connect the L wrench to that. Might have to adjust the position of the faucet in order to get to it. You don't have to take it all the way out in order to loosen it. Take the faucet head out. The screw might have come loose, so be prepared for that. Next step is to loosen up this little connector here. Grab your pliers. Loosen up the next section here. After it's loose, you can do it by hand, but be careful, this is a little bit sharp, so it has the potential to cut. Put that aside, and now your valve is ready to come out. Your new valve has a gasket in it that might also come out. If it does, you can just put it right back in. It has two protrusions that need to align to the holes within the faucet itself. After they align, you should hear a little bit of a snapping so you know it's in place. After it's in place, you can just continue to put it back the way you took it out, starting with the last part. Like I said, this one's a little sharp, so be careful. Just hand tighten that in, just like the next one. Go ahead and roll it in. Okay. Let's go ahead and place in the top section of the faucet. There, screw almost ran away. Now set this down for a moment. As you put the locking screw onto the bottom of your L wrench, this part's a little bit tricky, but you just face it up away from you so that you can see it, and place the screw in. As it goes in, you just hand tighten it. Might take a couple of tries to get that, but there you go, it's tight. Place your hot-cold button, and you are done. You've successfully replaced a leaking valve in your faucet.